Hello, Cuquín. I bring you a gift.
A present, a present!
Hold on, Cuquín. Here.
A present! Yay!
One, two, three. How fun! Which one do you want?
All of them! All of them!
No, Cuquín. You can only choose one.
One!
Hold on, Cuquín.
One little elephant was happily playing, swinging on a spider's web. Then when he found that it still resisted, he went and called another little elephant.
Please choose me.
Blue egg. A donkey.
Dear donkey, he now has a big head. They can balance if he striped him an old-fashioned large bonnet. An old-fashioned large bonnet, so he's not feeling well.
More! Three.
Here, come get me. Hee hee, chase me. Too slow. Here, come get me.
Don't know how to farm. E-I-E-I-O. On this farm he has some cows. E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there.
Great!
New Cleo and Cuquín app. Enjoy the best children's songs and videos. Let the fun begin. Download it now.
Orange treasure. Open, open, open. Oh. Huh? Oh. Orange rabbit. Oh. Ha. Ha. Oh.
key. Open, open, open. Orange, orange. Oh. Blue treasure. Open, open, open. Ah. Blue rabbit. Ha. Ha. Blue key. Open, open, open. Blue grapes. Ha! More, more, more. No treasure. Yellow treasure. Open, open, open. Ah. Ha. Ha. Yellow rabbit. Yay. Yellow key. Open, open, open. Wow. Yellow banana. Yay. Ha. Yellow rabbit. Orange rabbit. Blue rabbit.